And that's how you catch the crabs?
That's how you catch crabs. I'm out here at beautiful Baker Beach with the West Coast Grabbers crew. We put this workshop together for our members on our Facebook group, mostly for the beginners and people who just are interested in getting into crab snaring. We're teaching snares, tides, casting, whatever we learned over the years.
Yeah.
Because at one time we were beginners too, so this gives us a chance to give back to the community and share knowledge, and just to get to meet the members and get to know them.
You didn't know what kind of trouble you're about to get in.
So, go ahead, go over. Okay? Actually, over here first. And then this. You know what I mean?
I don't know.
So,
what's the difference?
So that when you open it, and then you turn it usually. So, for instance, I always do this to where it's up here. I pull the line, I open it, then I reposition this thing to this side. Then I cast it from there. Okay, you do.
I'm going to try it. It's not going to be very good. Okay.
It's okay.
So,
Yes. So you feel the tension there?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So make sure that way.
That's so that it doesn't close.
Yes.
Okay.
Very great.
Watch out.
Ready to launch, baby.
Hey, you know why you go further? You actually let go at the perfect time.
And then that's actually really heavy.
Yeah, and that's a heavy snare.
Yeah, I think it let go early.
That's okay. Get up.
Babe.
Sweet.
Right here.
Yeah. All right, first crab.
Oh,
That's
the
there.
prototype. Right?
On the
Yeah,
prototype.
on the
Yeah.
prototype.
Works.
It works.
Is that a fishing snare? What is it?
I'm telling you, man. No skunk, baby. No skunk.
So this is the crab snare. So California, you can only have 6 loops, right?
Yeah.
And this is one I make. This is a gladiator snare.
That's cool.
I think I gave you one, right? I think I gave you 2. Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyways, so we put the bait in here. Open this up. Put whatever squid, chicken, and we'll close that up. And then you attach this piece here to your line on your fishing line, and then you cast it out there as far as you can. And then what you do is you let it sit in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Gives it enough chance for the crab to get the scent of the bait. And so when the crab gets on top of or starts feeding on your bait, it'll be on top somewhere like that. It'll start feeding on your bait. And then when it's time to pull it in, these loops will snare on the legs. So you get a leg right there. Once you pull it in, it'll actually snare
I
the
see.
leg.
That's cool. And that's how you catch the crabs?
That's how you catch crabs. Just throw it out there and then let it sit, and then you pull it in just like a regular
It's
fish.
so convenient.
Yeah.
So cool.
So
I like the designs on the bottom too.
yeah, that's the gladiator snare.
That's so cool. Get gladiator snares. Yay.
Got 2 YouTubers right here.
You gotta walk to your pole with confidence. That's how you catch crab. Confidence. Oh. Confidence! Just joking. I caught it though. Good job, good job.
Do you see the 3 down? Sorry.
Yeah, the 3 things I look for when I look at this chart is the wave, the period, and the energy. Okay, that's it, right? So the wave height is basically how high the waves move crest over, right? it's a lot of times it's also called the swell, right? The period, how close the swell is going to be, right? So if it's like right now it says 12 seconds, that means you're going to get a 6-foot swell every 12 seconds. Versus, let's say if these numbers change, it could be, you know, a 6-foot swell every 18 seconds. That's really good, right? That means,
Say that one more time.
so let's say if this number of period is 18, and this remains a 6, you get a 6-foot swell every 18 seconds.
Because that's a long stretch.
6 foot every 6 seconds, and it's basically they're back to back on top of each other, right? Because by the time that one wave comes around, the next one's coming in, right? So it's just like packing in, right? So the way I kind of look at this, it's kind of easy. I just take the period and divide by the wave height, right? So number of seconds divide by the wave height. The bigger the so if I do that calculation, the bigger the number is, the smaller it is out here.
How much, George?
That's why he was heavy. Handcuffed.
What is after all the big storms, the beach is running with a lot of water.
Yeah.
And it's actually not really good for crabs.
Fixing people's costumes, like at the Comic-Con stuff, the anime stuff. He was like some type of whatever doctor. You cool if I like lock this in permanently, right?
I got another one over here.
So I'm just gonna lock this in real tight. So look at this. So this is what it does underwater, and then when you pull on it, it just breaks like that. Nice, dude. So, yeah. Get it. Sick, dude.
Put that on video. Yeah, like video. Hey, what type of crabs?
Sole?
Keep eating my meat, bro.
Hey, shut up.
Next to me, bro. Keep it
What are you cooking over here? What are you cooking?
I'm cooking hot duck buns. I'm on the safety aisle. We just got finished doing the dog, some links, some this, some that. We're about to put some more Cambodian beef on the grill for our family. It's the best coast.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
Walter,
Right?
Hey, both ignoring each other.
I got a large. I don't know. Well, this is the first run, so I don't know.
Till Thursday at 8 p.m.
Yeah.
And then I had to work again on Monday at 11.
Yeah.
So it just never worked out.
Okay. Yeah, you missed out on it.
I know. I
Full art.
Does that?
Yeah. We'll make an exception and I'll let everybody know.
There is a guy in.
Gosh, let's make sure you packed in, pack it out. If you're not aware that just the Pacific Coast alone per year we put 2.5 billion, 2.5.
If you guys are interested, come follow us on our Facebook group, West Coast Crabbers. Just make sure you follow and accept the rules. That way we can add you as a member. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys out there.